I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a beef samosa skillet. I love samosas and Indian food in general, and I do have a recipe for samosas on this channel already, but this is a little bit deconstructed. It's supposed to be an easy weeknight meal. You kind of just toss it together. Beef, sweet potatoes, curry, AIP curry powder, which I have on this channel as well. Comes together so easy. Takes about 30 minutes or under, depending on how big you cut your sweet potatoes. I cut them quite small. It's just great. It's a great weeknight meal. I've made this probably 4 or 5 times since I tested the recipe, and we love it. We gobble it up every time. So I hope that you guys like this one as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Back with just an easy taste test of the Beef Samosa Skillet. Oh, it's not very pretty in the bowl, but it is very tasty. It's like a warm blanket in winter. It's so comforting. I love it. A couple of things. On this one, you'll want to make sure that you pick a sweet potato that's a starchier white sweet potato. I've said before, I usually use the Hana sweet potatoes. In this one, I've had really good luck also with the Japanese sweet potatoes. They're the ones that are purple on the outside and white on the inside. Really, really yummy. Hold up really nicely with this dish. It's so good. I often serve it with, I'll make my tortillas. I'll finish them in the toaster oven just to give them a little bit of, I don't know, just helps them be yummier. And it turns out a little bit like a naan bread. So I usually serve this with that and maybe a vegetable. And it's just a great weeknight meal. Super easy to put together. I hope you guys like this one as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video.